guys, good evening. This is Ibrahim, your Simsem tour guide in Amman downtown. Almost welcome to Jordan. Here we can see Roman Theater, and in other side it's Citadel. My walking tour will be inside Amman downtown market. Will take between 2 hours, 10 minutes, less or more, depend how we walk. Hello guys again. So in my tour you're gonna to learn a lot of things here in Jordan. We're gonna to talk a lot about custom and cultures. I'll teach you how to buy anything in Jordan or in Middle East without asking the price. It's a magic way, it's my tour name. And we're gonna to talk a lot about our customs, cultures, and how Jordanian people, they go every day, morning, afternoon, tonight to downtown market to do our shoppings and other. Many things waiting you in my walking tour.